Now let us arrange the following fractions in descending order. We have 3 over 8, 2 over 7, 5 over 11, 4 over 5. Feel free to pause the video and apply your knowledge to arranging these fractions in descending order. Then you compare your result with what is gotten at the end of this video. Solution. First, you find the LCM of the denominators. We have 8, 7, 11, and 5. We have 2 here to give you 4, 7, 11, 5. 2 here to give you 2, 7, 11, 5. 2, 1, 7, 11, 5. 5, 1, 7, 11, 1. 7, 1, 1, 11, 1. And then 11 to give us 1, 1, 1, 1. Therefore, our LCM becomes 2 times 2 times 2 times 5 times 7 times 11. And when you multiply all of these together, you would arrive at 3080. The next step is then multiply each of the fractions by the LCM. So we have 3 over 8 multiplied by 3080. This would give us 3 multiplied by 8 in 30, that is 3, remainder 6. In 68, that's 8, remainder 4. In 40, that is 5. Now 3 multiplied by 385. Now 3 times 5 is 15. 5, carry 1. 3 times 8 is 24. Plus 1, that's 25. 5, carry 1. 3 times 3 is 9. Plus 1, we have 10. So 1055. Now to the second fraction. We have 2 over 7 multiplied by 3080. Now this would give us 2 multiplied by, now 7 in 30, that is 4, remainder 2. 7 in 28 is 4, no remainders, and then in 0 we get 0. Now 2 multiplied by 440, 2 times 0, 0, 2 times 4, 8, 2 times 4, 8, that is 880. Now to the third fraction. 5 over 11 multiplied by 3080. This will give us 5 multiplied by 11 in 30, that is 2, that is 22, remainder 8. Now in 88 we get 8, no remainder, and then in 0 we have 0. 5 times 280. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 8, that is 40. 0 carry the 4. 5 times 2, 10. Plus 4, 14. That's 1400. And finally we get to 4 over 5 multiplied by 3080. This would give us 4 multiplied by 5 in 30, that's 6, no remainder. 5 in 8 is 1, remainder 3. Now in 30 we get 6, that's 616. Now 4 times 6, that's 24. 4, carry the 2. 4 times 1 is 4, plus 2, we get 6. 4 times 6, 24. That's 2464. Now let's arrange our results from the biggest number to the smallest number. Of these 4 results, our biggest number is 2464, which is greater than the number 1400, which is greater than 1055, and then greater than 880. Therefore, our fractions in descending order will be, for the 2,464 we have 4 over 5, followed by, for 1,400 we have 5 over 11. Now for 1,055 we have 3 over 8. And then finally for 880 we have 2 over 7. So the biggest fraction here is 4 over 5 and the smallest fraction is 2 over 7. Thank you.